Welcome to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today we are making a pretty wall hanging. We've chosen orange and blue, but you can choose any colours you like. So we're going to start with an orange square, and we are going to curl, and with a little bit of glue, curl that orange square into a neat little tube. Like so. We're going to do that several times, as many times as you want. And then we're going to take another orange square. And we're going to fold it in half. A little triangle. And then we're going to fold that in half again. And fold again. And fold again. Draw our petal, and very carefully, with our parents' guidance, going to cut out our flower. And we're going to cut a slit into the middle of our flower and cut off one of our petals to make our flowers look 3D, just like that. We're going to very carefully with the scissors again curl the petals so they look even more 3D. And then we're going to take some little beads and very carefully, with the guidance of our parents, a hot glue gun, and we're going to create our flowers. Our little bead into the middle of our flower to represent the pollen. Very pretty. And you can make as many flowers as you like. And we're just going to take a long blue strip and carefully glue on our cone. And our flower. Just like that. We did that 5 times, but don't worry, you can pause the video, rewind, and rewatch as many times as you need to. Now we have a round circle. Very carefully, with our hot glue gun again, or PVA glue, glue on our cones. And we're going to go all the way around our circle with our cones. Like so. It almost looks like a sun. And then in the middle, we're going to place our largest flower. How lovely. And then we're going to flip it over. And with more of our hot glue gun or PVA glue, we're going to attach our long strips of blue paper. Top, we're going to take a little bit of ribbon and glue it to the top so that we can hang our wall display anywhere we like. And look at that, your very own pretty flower wall hanging display. I can't wait to see what you guys can do too. Send us in some pictures. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Harper. Harper has created 2 ducks out of scrap paper, and I love the ingenuity here. It looks amazing. Very well done, Harper. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!